Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Alright. Okay. um, alright, this thing, I don't know. I just press play. And this is where I'm at. Let me get my bearings real quick. Okay, so we have down, up, down, up. This took the high, but then it closed on the inside, so that would have been a short going down. And this was the high over here. This is the first touch. That was a short, but then we lost it. Okay, that means since we lost it, this is going to become the new, which are the back test trade, flip trade, whatever you want to call it. I think I'm going to start calling these the back test trades right over here. This is the first official back test trade, and it can go all the way down to like right here, but basically there's two trades over here. Number one is the back test trade, which is this one right over. Yeah, where the hell is it? It's right here. That's the one. Because it was down, up, down. No, no, no. No, no, no. I had it right. This is the one right here. Okay, even though it hit over here, okay, it's still the first pivot that failed. Okay, so now this pivot, okay, was the one that flipped this to the upside. So now we're in a bull trend box. Okay, so the box right here would be a bull trend, and it would start from the bottom, working its way up. Okay, so that's what we got. Okay, we're in bull trend right now. All right, so let's press play. Okay, and this is the first pivot. So I could actually put in if this comes down, I could actually put in what you call it, a trade right there at the pivot. So let's see what happens. Okay, this would be where the stop would be down here. All right, so see what happens here if this candle goes down or what's it going to do. But until I get a bear uh, F, FEGC, this thing is just going to keep expanding the box upwards. The green trend box, okay? I'm actually going to put the trend box up here so we all know what the fuck we're talking about. All right, here we go. No, not yet. 10x should be fast enough, man. I don't want to go too fast with this shit. You know what I'm saying? Let's get in one trade at least. Okay. Let's speed it up a little. I guess 20x. These are 3-minute candles, and at 20x, we're producing them every 9 seconds. So I think that's fast enough. Okay. And this box is going to keep expanding, candle by candle. Hold up. All right, we're starting to go down now. All right, man. I'm gonna try to catch this in live time. All right, right over here is the what you call it?
Order submitted.
Okay. It didn't come down all the way. Man, I don't think I'm gonna. Yeah, look at that. Barely friggin' didn't get it. I don't know. If I get an FEGC over here, everything changes. This thing over here is completely over with. I can't take a trade there. And there it is. Okay, so an FEGC up doesn't do anything. This over here is the pivot now. We're gonna enter right over there now. This over here didn't hit. Okay, man. So you let it go. All right, man. So now you go to the lowest candle, which is this one, okay, and to the right of it, after it gets engulfed, this FEGC. Um, okay, so we have the down. This last candle. It doesn't matter if this one over here doesn't have to be an FEGC or not, but it's the lowest point candle between the bear and bull FEGCs. All right, man. So what I'm going to do is whatever candles are afterwards, which one has the lowest wick, and it's this one, that would be where I'm going to go with the fib. Now, there might be a better way to do the fibs, but this is the way I've been doing them. All right, man. So we got one X over there and another one X over
Order
here
submitted.
in the middle. Okay. So let's see if it enters us. Or is it going to go straight up, you know, which it does plenty of times, you know what I mean? But this is still the
Order
last.
filled.
Okay, all right, so we're in right now. And I don't know, I forgot to turn on the watch collar. Okay, anyways, it's going to be right over here at 1150. It's going to
Order
go
submitted.
where our stop is going to be.
Order submitted.
Okay, I'm going to go 2 in case it comes down to here. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay, oh, the TP is over here at 100% right now.
Order submitted.
This is the way we're gonna. This is like for the bot. You know what I mean? Now, I don't trade this way. Like, I would probably pick up a quick 7, 8 points right over here and call it a day. You know what I mean? But let's see what
Order
happens.
filled.
Okay, it filled. All right, man. So that's
Order
it.
canceled. Order
This one
canceled.
over here now, if you notice, I didn't wait for separation, even though we got it this time. I took it right away, man. This is the pivot going outwards. Okay. All right, and this was the flip originally. All right, man. So, and quite honestly, this is a high pivot. So that one over there is gonna probably create a little bit of resistance, but we're not gonna do anything about that right now. Okay, and it did it. Almost. Still hasn't been tested, but whatever. You know what I mean? You could take those. I've been taking these too, even though it's a counter trend. That they do tend to work more than often than not. So why not? You know what I mean? All right, we're gonna try for one more trade now. Okay. All right, here we go. FEGC down. No. I mean, 30x, this is 3-minute candles every 6 seconds. That's fast enough, you know? We'll catch something. This is nothing. It's still going up. Okay. Oh, let's mark out our thing. Well, we've got a chance over here. Okay. Oh, here we go. It came back down. This is going to be the first FEGC bear. Okay, we got. Okay. I'm not going to take this. I'm looking. Okay, we just broke this low. All right, man. So you see what happened, right? Okay, this bull trend box that was from the bottom over here. This candle. Remember the pivot? Okay. We kept on going, and now on this candle here, now we're bearish. Okay, we're bearish. So there's two ways to get in. All right. Well, number one is remember the body that we went long on? This one over here, where we entered long, right over. Let me see here. Line. Okay. Right over here on the yellow. You know what I mean? Remember that? Okay. Now this becomes your entry short. Okay, and your high. Okay, is gonna be right. Where the fuck is the arrow at? I always miss it. Okay, the high is going to be the peak of this. You're not going to go to this one. You're going to go to this one. This is going to be your peak, and this is going to be how you're going to measure your 1-to-1 or fib or whatever the fuck you're going to do. Okay, man, to take a short. Now, this is aggressive. This is something that I haven't done a lot of, but, dude, I'm noticing that there are a lot more winners than losers, and that's all I care about. All right? So, right now we're going to go short from there. Let me put in my order. And let me make sure I'm 1x. There we go. Okay, short from here.
Order submitted.
Okay, I gotta turn off those alerts, man. It's bugging me. Alright. This thing's just going straight down. We got basically, hold on. Hold up. Hold up. We got a short over here and we got a short over here at the pivot.
Order
Okay.
submitted.
And so this is a weird one. I don't know which one do you
Order
take.
filled.
Okay, I just went short. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna go all the way up, but my stop is gonna be over here. All right, man. And if I lose, man. There's a pretty wide shot stop. Let's see what happens.
Order canceled.
Okay, hold on. Let me measure out my fib so I know what the hell's going on over here. It's from here to right there, and this is my 101 down here.
Order submitted.
Okay, I don't know. I hope I'm right, you know what I mean? But I don't know. Nope, it doesn't look like I am. This thing's gonna probably lose, or maybe not. I don't fucking know, man. You know what I mean? I have no idea what I'm doing, dude. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, don't. This is, I would be out by now. Okay, I guarantee you, I would have taken profit. Okay, man. I'm not waiting for the one-to-one shit. You know, because this is what happens, dude. Every fucking time I wait. Okay, it's right there. Oh no, but you're not 1-to-one. You know what I mean? So it's a loser. You know what I'm saying? Like, what the fuck, dude? You know what I mean? No, it's not. It's a winner, baby. All right, so this is gonna be the high wick. Okay, now the actual short, I would have taken profit over here and re-entered over here for a short. Okay, man. Now, you know. Okay, so where's the top? Like, okay, this is the top wick. This is the one that engulfs everything. So this, I think that this over here is your highest body. Okay, so this wick over here would be the what you call it, the short. Okay, man, 1-1 short. Okay, man, but this is a weird formation, very friggin' sus. You know what I mean? But whatever. We're over here gambling, baby. Okay. So I would probably have taken profit over here somewhere around the 50 to 75% area, okay, and then that was it. You know what I mean? I would have been out of this trade, but you know, people want to be assholes and they want to wait for the extra tick. Okay, there you go. There's your extra tick. Didn't hit. All right. Okay. Let me see here now. Oh yeah, I would have been short. Should man, you know something? Screw it.
Order
So
filled.
sell one more. Go to here. Okay, and this is my what you call it, and I'm gonna go, yeah, right over there. I'm gonna try to
Order canceled.
get them both out. All good. Okay, let's go, baby.
Stop filled.
Okay, so this filled my stop. That means that this becomes now my my long from over here.
Order submitted.
Okay, the flip long, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so right there to right there. That's my 1-to-1. Let's
Order
raise.
submitted.
Let's go at 2x. Why not? Okay, I want my money back, right? All right, and this was the untested one, and you know you saw the reaction on this one. Okay, man, I do take these because they're untested. They're untested pivots. I do tend to take the untested pivots. Okay, I don't care if they lose afterwards, as long as I get the reaction, which I did on this one. This is gonna probably end up going up and over, and if it does, this over here doesn't work anymore. Okay. Oh, by the way, we would add two more over here at the pivot. Oh, that's it. Oh, this is done anyways. Okay. Now, we move this up to right here. Here's your entry for the long, and here's the stop, okay?
Order filled.
Alright, we just filled. Damn, that was fast as fuck, man. Alright, so we're 31 to 25. It's about a 6-point trade. So we're going to try to shoot for like 8 points. I mean, like 39.50. Try to come up to this body up here. I mean, and Do we lose? Do we win? I don't know.
Stop filled.
Damn, another stop. Okay, but now I got the reversal trade. 2, 3. Let's go 3 contracts.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, I just filled. My stop goes up here. And my 1-1 goes here. Alright.
Target filled.
Okay, now we got our money back on that whole thing, I think. Okay. Alright, I'm up 21 bucks because I won, and then I lost, and then I won again. Okay, man. So winner, lose, lose, winner. Yeah, it sounds. But the 2 losers and then the winner, that third winner, got me all my money back. All right, man. That's all I really care about. Okay, man. That's all I give a shit about. Okay, man. Now this is going to be a long from down here anyway. So let's go 1x from down here.
Order submitted.
This is your new pivot right over here. Okay, your new pivot long. All right.
Order filled.
Okay, I just filled. Just gonna go for a quick 1-to-1. What is it? 0975, 1725. That's about 12 points. Give me about 8, 9 points, 10 points in there. A good 26, a little bit over, something like that. You know, that looks like about 1-to-1, right? Yeah. Eyeball test. Plus it comes up to these. Yeah, that's good enough. It hits this, man. I'm happy. And another loser. Jesus Christ, man. Oh, hold on. I should have added here.
Order filled.
That would have been an add at the 50%. I forgot to do this. Okay, man. And then, you know, here's 100%. About right over here, I'm going to try to exit the whole trade. Yeah, or take the loss.
Stop filled.
These motherfuckers, man. They always like to do that shit, but look at where it came up right over there. Now, because it's going to be a lot wider over an RR, I'm just going to go 1x on this.
Order filled.
Sell this. I mean, this is a way bigger RR than the one that I just lost. So, something like, it's got to go down to the bottom over here. Let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, there's also the midpoint, which is right about here. Okay, but I'm going to go higher than that. I wanted to hit the
Order submitted.
this pivot. Okay, this is the pivot now. If I want to add, I might as well add at the top. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me show you the pivot real quick. And this over here is, yeah, this is your short. This would have been an add.
Order filled.
An add 1. Okay. And go short, fib it out. 1, 2, and it would have hit the 50%. I would have added 1 more over here, and I would have shot for the 25% over here. But we're gonna try to shoot for the 50. Okay, on this one. Leave this one down here still. All right. Okay, let's see what happens.
Target filled.
Okay, that one over there we got out. Okay, man, it continues down, and I would have been pressing the exit button so quick when it get down here, it would make your head spin. But whatever. You guys want 1-to-1? Okay, let's try to play it with 1-to-1. You know what I mean? I don't know what the fuck to tell everybody. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not sticking around for no 1-to-1 RR. Okay, and taking these kind of chances, going down up basically right there, and you know, but people want to be assholes for 3 points, 2 points. Okay, all right, here we go. It just went back up. It's the same shit. Okay, we're about to get a new setup over here. Okay. Okay, I'm in for another
Order
one.
canceled.
Oh, shit, I don't even know what the hell I just did.
Order filled.
Okay, whatever. I'm going to close it right there.
Order
I
filled.
fucked up. I don't know what the hell I just did. But anyways, okay, that was a winner too. You seen that, the reaction off of this pivot here. Okay, man, it's going to probably go down a little bit more. That 1-to-1, it would have hit too, remember? The one from up here. Let's fib it out just to double make sure, right? Okay, here's the low. Here's the high. And there's your 1-to-1. Yep, it hit the 1-to-1. Beautiful. Okay, that's all I got for you. All right. How much money did we finish with? Yay, $66. trading 1x and with add-ons and shit. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. You know what I mean? This is from midnight, from I don't know when this we start right over here from about 10 o'clock at night till 1:30 in the morning. So this is like overnight, $66. That's not bad for this kind of movement. All right, bye.